Let's take a look at this one for the Camaro fans. Just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics, a 1997 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Of course, the 30th anniversary of the Camaro, and this one does have the 30th anniversary appearance package. Best of all, though, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, 2-owner car, original miles, 72,812 is all in this one at the moment. The current owner, second owner, has actually had this car since 1998. Unfortunately for him, his wife would like to have a new kitchen remodel. So the car is going to find a new owner. Let's take a look at the front fascia, the front nose of this one. Look at how clean that is. Of course, Arctic white. Does have the Arctic white leather bucket seats. Of course, the 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Heat blows hot. Check out all the still pics. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on a nice looking chrome American Racing wheel. 5 spokes. Radial tires. Now, the white ones, the original that this would have came with, they're with the car yet also. So you'll see them in the still pictures. Obviously just not installed in the car. Went with a little different look with these chrome ones, but the white ones are available with the car. Copy of the window sticker will be in with the still pictures if you want to see exactly how this car is equipped from the factory. Like I said, does have that 30th anniversary package, the leather seats, power seat over on the driver's side, performance axle, and more. Check out that window sticker. You can see up and down the passenger side of this car, it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can tell this is a well cared for and loved car, no doubt about that. Being with the second owner since 1998. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Just a couple notes from the technician on this one. He did mention the driver's side fog light was in op. A little bit of brake shake. Brakes are 80% in the front, 35% in the rear. And once again, all those still pics, you can see how clean this car is walking around the rear of it. And check those still pics out, especially the underside. Very, very clean engine bay, trunk, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you do like Camaros, no matter what year, what body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Take a little closer look at this interior. Let me pop that key a second. All right, so you get a good look at the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. So, of course, your modern amenities. If you want to see the RPO codes, sure take a peek at those in with the still pictures. Here's that power seat, driver's side, a little bit of wear showing in that white. Of course, the 30th anniversary embroidering in the headrest. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM, CD player. Let's check out the exact miles. Let's fire up this 5.7 liter. All right, so you can see exact miles, 72,812. Of course, you're going to have lights flash, and they are off. Just a seatbelt warning indicator, so no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure looking good, battery gauge and fuel all working, as well as the tach. Stereo system also working. Dash looking good. No surprises there. Slip around at the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust goes. Nice sounding car. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I might be able to get this checked out. There we go. All right, hood strut good. See the hood liner. And engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy. Again, AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes. And again, 5.7 liter V8 power, automatic with overdrive transmission, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, second owner, has had it since 1998. And again, unfortunately for him, wife would like the kitchen remodeled. So here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jared on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
one of 114,
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1997 Chevrolet Camaro. White. With kind of a smoke colored interior. White seats. 30th anniversary seats. Very smooth running Camaro. This is an automatic. Easily shifted right between the seats. Nice throaty exhaust note. Strong acceleration performance. We've got less than 75,000 original miles showing on the odometer, and it feels it, and it looks it. Everywhere I'm looking, it looks really nice. Temperature gauge is just about 170, still coming up. Not even to a quarter of the way up the gauge yet. Oil pressure is 50 psi. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Volts are charging the battery up over 14 volts, which they should be. And the fuel gauge showing a little over 3/4 of a tank. Stereo sounds good. The AC blows cold in this car. The wipers work. Cruise control also working. Very comfortable ergonomics these Camaros have. I'm 6'1" and I fit very well in this car. Brakes nice and smooth. It's got that steering wheel from this generation with a little bit of grooving right in the right spots to hang on comfortably. Horn also working. Accelerates very nicely. The comfort of 1997 in the Camaro. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.